Hello students, welcome to Uma Devi Children Academy. Today we are discussing about the topic is as salt. Right? So this is lecture number 8. So salt. The salt means it is a neutral species which formed by the acid and base. Salt means the salt is a neutral substance. Salt is a neutral substance which is formed by the acid and base. Right students? Let's see example. Acid base combine to form salt and water. Acid example HCl. Here base example we are taken here NaOH. To form salt NaCl and the water H2O. Right students? Okay. So this is the salt NaCl. This NaCl salt contain chloride. So that's why it is called the, or this salt is formed by the HCl. That is why it is called as a chloride salt. Right. So the salt which is formed by the hydrochloric acid, that's why it is called chloride salt. Right students? Chloride salt. Or similarly, if some salt is formed by the sulfuric acid called as sulfate salt, or you may say sulfate. Example H2SO4. H2SO4 is the acid which combine with base NaOH to form Na2SO4, that is sodium sulfate. Na2SO4 means sodium sulfate plus water. Right students? So every salt is made from the positive and negative charge ions. Every salt which is made from the positive and negative ions. Right students? So Na is positive, chlorine is negative. Similarly, this salt which is made from the Na is positive and the sulfate is negative. So every salt which is made from the positive ions and the negative ions, both positive and negative ion combine to form this salt. Right students? Family of salt. Next heading is family of the salt. So different salt contain same positive ions or negative ions, called as family of salt. Right, whatever the different salts are available in our around us, different type of salts are available, but in that salt we got the same and common positive ions. If same positive ion is present, we call it as that respective name. If same negative ions are present, we call it as some respective names. Let's see here. Example NaCl, Na2SO4, NaNO3. So tell me students, what is the common thing is here? The common is sodium. The common is sodium, Na. So that's why this type of salt we call as a sodium family salt, because in this salt what is the common thing? Sodium is the common thing in this salt, so that's why it is called as sodium family salt. Understood students? Okay. One more example, NaCl, BaCl2, MgCl2. So tell me students, what is the common thing here? Chlorine, Cl. So that's why chlorine is there. Chlorine is present, but is the different ratio. Here one ratio, sodium chloride contain only 1 Cl, BaCl2 contain 2 Cl. There is no matter of number of chlorine. Just we have to count that the how many chlorine atoms are present here. Just we have to count that we count the chlorine atom. If chlorine atom is present, is it in any ratio? But chlorine must be there. That's why it is called as a chloride family. Right students? So sodium chloride, in which chlorine is common, barium chloride in which chlorine, MgCl2 chlorine is common. So that's why the chlorine is common in this all the salts. That's why it is called as chlorine salt. Right students? Okay. Next is the pH of the salt. So the different salts are there. Already we have discussed here. The different salts are present here. So the many salts are neutral state. Many salt is the neutral state because its pH is equal to 7. pH equal to 7. That's why it is neutral salt. Few salts are acidic nature because its pH is less than 7. and few salt is basic nature because its pH is greater than 7. Right students? So whatever the salt is there, the salt you may treat it with pH paper or the universal indicator. Then pH value you got the 7, it means it is neutral and it is green color. Right students? If you are using the second one salt, the second salt in which you may dip the pH paper or you may add the universal indicator, then you got the red or dark red color. It means it is the acidic nature and its pH is less than 7. If some solution, the salt in which you may dip the pH paper or you may add universal indicator, then you got the pH is greater than 7, it means it gives blue color or violet color. So blue or violet color indicates it is the pH greater than 7 and it is basic nature. Understood students? So here, so whatever salt is there, the neutral salt, some salts are neutral. Look, students, here the some salts are neutral. Why this salt is neutral? Why this salt is acidic and why some salts are basic? What is the reason behind the some salts are neutral? What is the reason behind some salts are acidic? What is the reason behind some salts are basic? Let's see one by one. First one, neutral salt. First one we are discussing here, neutral salt. If salt is made up from strong acid and strong base to produce neutral salt. If salt is made up from the strong acid and the strong base called as a neutral salt. Right students? This neutral salt pH is equal to 7. Neutral salt pH equal to 7 students. Example, HCl NaOH combined to form NaCl and water. This NaCl in which you may dip the pH paper or universal indicator, then you got the pH is equal to 7, that is green color. Right students? And salt is made up from strong acid and weak base to form acidic salt. To form an acidic salt students, acidic salt. The salt is there, the salt which is made up from neutral salt, the salt which is made from the strong acid and strong base called as a neutral salt. How it is called neutral salt? How it considered as a neutral? Because the salt solution in which you may dip the pH paper, then the pH paper turns into green and the green we are matched with the pH scale, then it got the pH is 7. So that's why it is called as a neutral students. So HCl NaOH combined to form NaCl and water. So this the reaction is the neutral. What as salt is formed, that is the neutral salt. This is the neutral salt. Right students? Next is the acidic salt. The salt which is made from the strong acid and the weak base. Here both are different students. So strong acid, weak base combine to form acidic salt. The acidic means whose pH is less than 7. When this salt solution are treated with the pH paper, then you got the pH is less than 7. Right students? Example, HCl NaOH. And HCl is a strong acid, NH4OH is the weak base combined to form NH4Cl, which is the acidic salt. Right students? The third one is basic salt. The salt which is made from the weak base and weak acid, and the basic salt which is made from the weak acid and the strong base to form basic salt. So the basic salt means whose pH is greater than 7. Right students? The NaOH is a strong base, carbonic acid is the weak acid combined to form sodium carbonate is the basic salt. Right students? Common salt, the common salt is there, the NaCl is one of the common salt, because in our household, everyone household, we are using the NaCl salt as a table salt. So we use for the cooking purpose, so it is called as a common salt. Yes friends. So NaCl is the common salt. It is formed by the combination of strong acid and strong base. HCl is a strong acid, NaOH is the strong base, and combined to form the NaCl. And its pH is equal to 7. Is the NaCl which formed by the HCl and NaOH, its pH is equal to 7. It is neutral salt. Right. The common salt which is produced by the two method. First one from seawater. Second one from ground state. Right friends. From the ground state. So seawater. First one, the seawater. The majority of the sea contain the NaCl. Whatever seawater is there, student, the seawater which contain majority of percentage contain the sodium chloride. And sodium chloride which is obtained from seawater by the process of evaporation. Right students, it is very important students. When which process we got the NaCl salt? Through the evaporation process we got the NaCl salt. The seawater is trapped in a large shallow pool. We have to make the one of the pool like this. In this pool, if you put the seawater, then all the seawaters are evaporated. Then we got the salt, right? So the NaCl salt put into the large shallow pool and stand over there. The help of the sun ray, waters are evaporated and salt is left behind. And the whatever salt is there, that salt is impure. After adding some other salt, it turns into the pure form. Right friends? Pure form. So here these are the large shallow pools. These are large shallow pools. So in presence of sun ray, all the water get evaporated. After evaporating, left behind the salt, that is common salt. Right friends? So second one is the underground water. The large crystal salt is found in the underground, called as a rock salt. Underground water. So large crystal salt found in the underground, called as a rock salt. What are the earth crust or in the underground of the earth, which contain the many salt? The NaCl salt exists in the underground. So that salt we call as a rock salt. So this rock salt is brown color because of some impurity. The earth crust in which the many ions, many mineral, many atoms are there. When the NaCl salt is combined with that impurity, it turns into the brown color. Right friends? Uses of NaCl. It is mined. It is mined means it is get out from the earth like a coal. How we get out of the coal from the earth? Similarly, same process we are applied here, right? And the rock salt which is obtained from the mining. Seawater from which we got the NaCl through evaporation. Right friends? Salt of NaCl which obtained from seawater by the process of evaporation. NaCl salt we are obtained from earth crust or underground through the mining. Through the mining we are obtained. Right friends? Next is the uses of NaCl. NaCl used in the household as a table salt. We are using the NaCl salt and the cooking purpose. It is not only for the cooking purpose or not in use for taste purpose, because it plays most important role in our body, students. Here the important in our body, it is working as the nervous system. When the NaCls are enter into the body, it mix with our blood, and which cannot cause, it prevent the clotting of blood. Clotting of blood means which prevent the blocking. Sometimes the blood corpuscles are blocked, so it prevent the blocking of blood. And it is help in movement of the muscle and the production of HCl in our stomach. HCl is there. HCl, whatever the HCl is there, the HCl from HCl obtained from the NaCl, right students? And it is used in manufacture of soap. It is used in preservative of pickle, meat and fishes. So the salt, if you use the two jar, the one jar we are using the food which made from the sweet, another jar food which is made from the salt, right? The first jar in which the food which is made from sweet, the sweet which is help for the, which is improve the bacteria, develop the bacteria, and it get destroy easily. But the salt which is prevent the destroy of food, the salt which is the food which contain the salt which prevent the destruction of food, restaurants. So the salt which is similarly salt which is prevent the pickles, meat and fishes. Right. So it is used in melting of ice during the winter. So some, what are the cold countries are there, the cold country, the snow falling at the winter snowfall, so ice is completely block the road, ice completely block the road. So this melting this ice purpose, they are adding the NaCl, they are adding NaCl. So NaCls are dissociated and the which is melt the ice cube, and the road is completely cleaned with the help of NaCl. And it is used in manufacture of NaOH, manufacture of Na2CO3, manufacture of NHCO3. Right students, I hope you understood today video students. If you find any doubt, ask me students. Thank you so much.